Welcome friends! In this episode of Adventures with Dan and Tracy, we are in the Republic of Ireland to visit Innisfallen Island. You must take a boat from the pier near Ross Castle, and the cost is only €15, but tours only occur during the summer. On the island you will see a 12th century Augustinian priory, as well as the remains of a Romanesque church. The island was once the home of a monastery dating back to 640 AD. Innisfallen Island is located in southwestern Ireland, and as you can see in this zoomed-in map, it is part of Killarney National Park. So, let's go visit Innisfallen Island. We have now landed on Innisfallen Island, and as you can see in front of us here are the ruins of a 6th century abbey. You want to make certain that you come here on a nice day, because if it's a rainy, bad weather day, they probably won't be taking boat rides out here. Innisfallen Island has a 6th century abbey, a 12th century church. Gotta watch your footing here on the rocks. And many deer, so it's quite a beautiful place to visit. So, if you're into ancient architecture, try to make time in your travel schedule in Ireland to visit Innisfallen Island. Showing some more up-close shots of the 6th century abbey. And again, these places are pretty cool to explore. I'd like to go out my way to visit the places that aren't swamped by tourists if possible. Of course, the tourist sites are nice, but it's also nice to see the places that are less well known. So again, it's just amazing to think how old this abbey is, going way, way back many centuries. If it's 6th century, that means it's well over 1,000 years old. Next up, we're going to visit the 12th century church. Over on the same island of Innisfallen is also the ruins of a 12th century church. And you can see the quite impressive archway there. The archway is round, indicating that it's of the Romanesque style. Think of a Romanesque beginning with R, hence round. It helps you to distinguish between the Romanesque and the Gothic. Gothic arches tend to be pointed. Notice the detailed stonework above the arch. And there's also an impressive Celtic cross here.